becoming an independent town, Badyangan was originally a barrio or village of Haniway. Like many island communities in Iloilo, it was primarily agricultural with settlements forming the around fertile and land and natural vegetation. The town name came from Kabadyangan, meaning a place where badyang plant grows. These are large leafy plants that thrive in most and swampy areas, indicating that the area was rich in the kind of vegetation. Badyangan officially became a municipality on June 17, 1967 through Republic Act No. 5006. It was formed by separating 31 barrios of Haniway. The law was sponsored by Congresswoman Gloria Montinola Tabiana. Its seat of government was established in the present-day Poblacion. For its creation, the town became organization with its local government, with Petra Nobleza becoming its first elected mayor. Development and local governance. In these following years, it established. The former barrios were renamed barangays in 1970s as a part of nationwide administrative reforms. Badyangan remained a rural agriculture-based municipality. It developed its own schools, infrastructures, and governance systems separate from Haniway. Today, Badyangan consists of 31 barangays and is located about 39 to 40 kilometers from Iloilo City. Although not always highlighted in formal histories, Badyangan is locally known for traditional bolo, knife-making pandayan, strong farming communities, local festival, and tradition tied to rural life. These reflect the border culture of island Iloilo, which blends indigenous roots, Spanish-era influences, and modern Filipino identity. Gloria Montino Tabiana, a congresswoman of Iloilo who authored and sponsored Republic Act No. 5006. This law officially created the municipality of Badyangan in 1967. She played a crucial role in giving the town its political identity. Petra Nobleza, recognized as the first elected mayor of Badyangan, led the municipality during its early years after separating from Haniway, helped establish the local government structure and services. Badyangan is a landlocked municipality in Iloilo on the island of Panay. It is about 39 to 40 kilometers from Iloilo City. Boundaries: on the north side, Kalinog; in the east side, Lambunao; on the south side, Haniway; and the west side, Bingawan. The culture of Badyangan reflects a traditional rural Ilonggo way of life, shaped by its history, geography, and strong community ties within Iloilo. Life in Badyangan is centered on farming, which strongly influenced by daily routines and tradition. Main livelihood: rice, corn, and root crops. Seasonal activities often involve community cooperation. The spirit of bayanihan is still widely practiced. Language and identity. The primary language is Hiligaynon or Ilonggo, which are known for being soft-spoken, respectfully, and hospitality. Oral tradition, storytelling, and local expression are passed down through generations. Religion and beliefs, predominantly Roman Catholic, introduced during Spanish colonization. Religious practice are an important part of life. Regular church attendance, celebration of fiesta in honor of patron saints. Faith influences values like family, unity, respect, and gratitude, festival, and